Just imagine making $1,000 with me every single day trading live and how you can be part of it. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, we're gonna talk about how you can make $1,000 per day with me and over, because this is over, $24,000 per month just by copying trades. So if you're new to my channel and you're into Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, then this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and let's begin. All right, for those of you who didn't know, today I'm recording this video, November 4th, I'm recording this video, and today we are launching one more time the BLW Signals Group. Yes, you can go to blwsignalsgroup.com or find the link in the description of this video. Basically, the BLW Signals Group, what it is a signals room. We trade together, people inside of the BLW Signals Group with the experts that we've been sending signals 100% free in the Telegram channel. If you remember the Telegram channel, it's literally right here. So we've been sending signals for like 2 or 3 months or something like that. Right here, this is weekends. So, sorry for the spam, but I'm sharing people's results. There you go. So we got the signals right here for Forex, and we have the results that we always share and so on. So basically, these signals are now being sent in a private group where you can be part of it as long as you actually join the BLW Signals Group. That's what it is. Results, totally proven, but this is exactly what it is. This is the official website. I recommend you to go and check it out after you watch this video. So basically, you go to blwsignalsgroup.com, watch this video because I explain a lot of things during this video, and then go ahead and click on Start Making Money, and you're going to be taken to this website right here where I'm going to continue explaining in more details exactly what you're going to get. So not only I give you the explanation, I share exactly who I am, then I explain exactly the tutorial as to how to use it, then I explain the pricing and everything, and then I even make a video explaining how much you can make. So definitely worth it to go ahead and check it out. Like I said, the link is in the description of this video. It's blwsignalsgroup.com. Now the question is, Chris, is this worth it? Like, is it worth to be in the BLW Signals Group? Well, this really does depend on a very simple question: is do you want to make money? That's number one. And number two question is, are you already making money? Now, if you're already making thousands of dollars per week or per month or per day, then probably you don't need it. Even if you want to join, you can, but you probably don't need it. But if you're not making at least $1,000 a day, then you definitely need this specific signals group. I know there are a lot of signal services out there in the world, but in the end, what's really important to understand is that even if you join a bunch of groups, you're not gonna get the personalized, help that I always give you, not only on my YouTube channel, but in the Telegram as well, because I'm gonna have some private webinars with the people inside of it and so on. So definitely, yes, 100% worth it. Now, I wanna share with you the October results with the BLW Signals Group, because look, I've kept track of every single trade ever since October the 21st. That's all, October 21st, and the results are just insane throughout just 2 weeks. All right, we missed 3 weeks of tracking signals directly into this specific file, but still, it's insane. So let's take a look at it. Lesser, we got 4 wins and 8 losses. Whoa, Chris, that's a negative number. No, the risk reward ratio ended up at 9.41. 9.41. If you are very new when it comes to Forex trading and you don't know what risk reward ratio is, I can help you out, man, because probably you've been looking at some numbers from fake gurus saying that they make thousands and thousands of pips. And yeah, that's doable, especially with gold. But what's the most important thing when it comes to Forex is the risk reward ratio. 9.41. I'm taking this in consideration that you are trading with 0.5% per risk out of a $100,000 account, which is the best funded account that you can actually get. We're gonna get to it in a little bit, but 9.41 turns into $4,705. Then we got Harry with 6 wins and 6 losses. What, 50%? That's bad. No, because he had a 14.03 on risk reward ratio, which turns into $7,015. Insane numbers. We have Jose with 6 wins, 10 losses. You probably just closed the video by now and you're like, yeah, this script doesn't work. Well, it turns out that the risk reward ratio ended up at 15.90. So that turns into $7,950. And just myself, it's 2 out of 2 because I only sent a few trades. I don't even know what this is, but I only sent like 4 trades like during these 2 weeks. But don't worry, I sent already 3 today. I'm recovering. But just so that you can see, I had a 9.99 risk reward ratio, turn it into $4,995. That gives us a total risk reward ratio combined just these 2 weeks of 49.33 in risk reward ratio, which turns in profits to $24,665. These are just insane numbers. Trust me. Now, if a guru comes here and says, hey, you know, this specific group has a 90% accuracy on the trade, so that risk reward doesn't matter, go ahead and waste your money there. That's fine. That's really up to you. But here I'm giving you real numbers and numbers that are really like worth it, which is the risk reward ratio. So these are the October results. Not bad at all. Now, November, I haven't really entered any data because the trades are, you know, kind of not expired yet. But in the end, this is how you can make $24,000. Now let's take a look at my today's trades. As a matter of fact, I sent 3 trades today. One was actually gold, which is right here. This was the entry point and this was the exit at 1.66 risk reward ratio. We wanted to go further than that, but you know, marketing opening basically ended up screwing everything up. But then if we actually go to NASDAQ, this trade that you see right here, not this one, because this one I closed it actually in profits, but that was not sent. And if you notice, this one right here was a quick trade right here, 2.21 on risk reward ratio. So we're at what, 3.87 risk reward ratio, if I'm not mistaken. I have it somewhere here. Yeah, 3.87 right here myself on risk reward ratio. And this trade right here that you see on Euro USD, it's still active. It's actually running at this point. It already reached a pretty good level of, I think it was like 2.50, yeah, 2.5 risk reward ratio or something like that. But we keep it running because the trend continues. But this is the 3rd trade that I actually sent today. As you can see, even if I lose this one, it doesn't matter because I already told people to break even. Even if I lose this one, I'm still gonna be in profits. And if you notice right here, my profits today, it's $893. Simple, straight to the point, and you know, like I said, just copying trades. Now, what are the best brokers to actually use the BLW Signals Group? Look, the best broker that I'm currently using right now is this one right here, Coinex. Coinex is a Forex broker that came into my hands like 6 or 4 months ago or something like that. I started using it. And one thing that really got me surprised is actually their instant withdrawal method. As a matter of fact, I made a video in regards to this specific broker saying that we could actually test a $1,000 real-time withdrawal. And it took 7 or 12 minutes, if I'm not mistaken, for me to actually get my $1,000 from a $1,000 account, which means I withdrew almost 100% of my balance because I made some profits, and everything went straight in 12 minutes and I withdrew all my balance. So that's basically the most interesting feature that I actually have in regards to this broker, besides, you know, the regulars, which is no spread accounts, no commission accounts. What else? Minimum deposit. I don't remember what was the minimum deposit, but anyways, you have a free VPS if you have a larger account. We have trading accounts right here, and you can use withdraw and deposit cryptocurrency methods, which is absolutely just amazing. I'm gonna have the link to this specific broker below in the description of this video so that you can check it out as usual. So go ahead, Coinex. Now, Chris, how much can I make if I join the BLW Signals Group? This is an interesting question because in the end, one of the coolest things that I've actually found in regards to the past few years is the funded account companies. Funded account companies are these companies that basically you can purchase an actual larger account for a decent amount of money, and then you can trade with that balance so that you can actually leverage that much money. For instance, the standard accounts for two-step accounts, which are the most common ones, are these ones right here. For a $5,000 account, account, you can actually get it for as low as $48, which is just crazy. A $10,000 account for $98, and the one that I always recommend you as a standard is the $100,000 account. It costs around $600, but you get to trade with $100,000, which means that if you are able to make, because you can actually, the payout, once you actually make some profits, you can withdraw 90%, sometimes 100% of that profits that you make. So that basically means that if you make $10,000 out of a $100,000 account, you can withdraw that. If you deposited the $600 into your trading account and you made 10%, that would be like $60. Instead, you can actually purchase a funded account for $100,000 for the same amount, and you can withdraw $10,000. So that's basically the beauty of it. I have a few videos explaining, but I do want to recommend you the best funded company that I currently using is X Funded Trader. I have the link in the description of this video. Available almost worldwide. They have a bunch of features such as the Funded X, which means that you don't have to pass any challenge. You become a funded trader immediately after purchase the account. The biggest one is $50,000 for $1,300, but it's immediately funded. You don't have to pass any challenge. So if you feel confident enough, you have tracking results that you are a good trader and you can make these numbers. Maximum daily stops is 3% and maximum drawdown is 6%, then you're good to go. I'm gonna have the link to this company below in the description of this video. Now, how much can you make? Like, pretty simple, right? Depends on how much money you have in your account. One thing I can tell you is that the numbers that I just shared with you, the ones that for 49 risk reward ratio, I do that divided into a risk of 0.5%. Because if you actually go ahead and risk 1% of your balance, then basically you're gonna get into trouble simply because if you lose 5 trades in a row, God forbid, because it hasn't happened yet, but in case it does happen, you lose all of your account in one day. But if you trade with 0.5%, then you have 10 trades to lose in one day if you want to violate your account. But in the end, that doesn't even happen unless you actually just place trades on your own. With 0.5% of your balance, you can actually make up to 24% balance increase. I've mentioned in the previous video where I talked about the Signals Group, we always have from 5 to 20 on risk reward ratio. October was amazing. We've had months of 30 plus risk reward ratio, and this month looks pretty good because November is always the best month of the year. So if you actually join today, probably you're still gonna be able to catch at least 30 on risk reward ratio. So just do the math. If you have a $10,000 account, then pretty much that's gonna be what, like 15% balance increase. If you have a $200,000 account, 15%, that's $40,000. You do the math and you make the money. Walk home with money and let me know in the comment section after a couple months how much money you've made. Hey, so hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video. The invitation is right there. Go to BLWSignalsGroup.com. The link's in the description of this video, and hopefully you can be part of this amazing project, which has been in the market since 2016, always been successful, stopped for like 6 months, but now it's all back with full power. So hopefully I can see you there. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you smash the like button, be subscribed for more, and I'll see you on the next one.